U.S. University halts use of coronavirus testing kits from China after evidence of contamination. The University of Washington School of Medicine has halted the use of COVID-19 testing kits they acquired from China after they found that some of the testing kits were contaminated. Amid a shortage of sampling swabs and the liquid that preserves the samples for testing, the University of Washington School of Medicine bought these testing kits from China for $125,000. They did this through the help of a Seattle importer who had connections to a Chinese business associate with links to a doctor who could get testing kits from a Shanghai factory. The testing kits from Lingen Precision Medical Products were then flown to the U.S. on an Amazon chartered plane. University of Washington Department of Laboratory Medicine Interim Chair Jeff Baird said he has recommended everyone who has these things pause and not use them at all. According to Baird, he realized something was wrong with the testing kits on April 16 when his colleague noticed some of the liquid changing in color. He then began going through the boxes of testing kits in the university's storage facility and found that, although most vials of liquid seemed fine, a few vials had liquid that looked orange or yellow and even cloudy instead of hot pink. The South China Morning Post explained that the change in color indicates bacterial growth. The contaminated vials of liquid were tested and found to have a bacteria called Stenotrophomonas maltofia. According to the U.S. National Institutes of Health, this bacteria is normally found in fluids in the hospital setting and in patient secretions, affecting mainly people with weakened immune systems. Baird said they have determined the bacteria may not have affected the already analyzed coronavirus specimens, so patients need not be retested for the disease. However, the Chinese supplier will still issue a refund for the testing kits. The university will test the swabs packaged separately from the vials of liquid in case they too are contaminated. The UK has also fallen victim to faulty test kits from China, with the government reportedly seeking refunds for the millions of antibody tests they acquired from China in March. Newsweek reports that scientists are calling the antibody tests unreliable considering they have not performed well, causing a number of false negatives and false positives.